Hey guys, this is Tasnim Ahmed. Welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. I'm Tasnim Ahmed. I post makeup, fashion and lifestyle contents over here. So for today's video, I did a New Year's makeup tutorial where I did this graphic eyeliner look. In this clip, I'm gonna also be showing you guys how I did my hairstyle. It was a basic half up, half do Dutch braid. And yeah, I hope you guys will like the video. If you do, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you would ever wear a graphic eyeliner outside. And now let's get started. So I did one eye off camera, and now I'm gonna do one over here, for which you're gonna need a teaspoon and a eyeliner. I'm using this W7's Captain Eye eyeliner. So at first, start by placing the spoon on top of your eye, and then use that spoon as a stencil and draw a half moon using the liner. Now I'm dragging the liner to my inner corner, but I'm not gonna completely attach it to my inner corner because I don't like that look, but you can go for it if you want to. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna also make a upper wing over here. As you guys can see, you can make it as short or as long as you want it to be. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a liner from my upper lash line and attach it to the upper wing that I drew on my crease. Now you can make it as long or as short as you want it to be, but I did make a slight mistake where my wing got a bit too long, so I took a wet wipe and I removed the excess liner. Here I was just applying a liner to my upper lash line, but the clip was completely out of focus, so I'm extremely sorry. So this is the basic liner look you will be doing. Now taking a black eyeshadow, I am going to be smudging out, not smudging exactly, but smoking out the outer area where I had connected those two wings. Now taking a white eyeliner, this is probably by Jacklyn. I got it from a super shop. I'm gonna just tightline my lower lash line. Now what I'm gonna do is draw another wing towards my lower lash line, basically in my under eye area. I'm not connecting it to my inner corner, as you guys can see. And then I'm just gonna draw a normal liner. Here I'm just going back in over the liner so that it looks pitch black. Taking my Coastel Envision Lengthening Mascara, I'm going to apply it both to my upper and bottom lashes, just 2 to 3 coats. Oopsie, ugly face comes out. And now it's gone. Psh. And this is the finished eye makeup. Total Catwoman vibes, except she's much more hotter. Coming to base makeup, I'm gonna take my Becca primer. I don't exactly remember what it's called, but I'll mention it in the description box. I'm gonna just apply it to my cheeks, my forehead, my chin, and then blend it out using my fingers. And this primer is super glowy. Taking the Maybelline Dewy Smooth Foundation in the shade 240, I'm going to dot it on my face at first, and then I'm going to blend it out using a beauty blender. When you're using a dewy foundation, I would suggest blending it out using a beauty blender rather a brush, because it might leave some stroke marks of your brush. I'm not gonna use any concealer, rather jumping into my brow pencil by Sigma. This is in the shade Top Shelf. I'm gonna use it to create some fake freckles across my face, just dotting it around, and then using a beauty blender, I'm going to blend those freckles on my face. Coming to bronzer, I'm going to use my W7 bronzer to, contour basically on the hollows of my cheeks, on my jaw as well, also on my temples. The only blush palette I own, e.l.f.'s blush palette. I'm going to use this coral shade which swatches as pink. I'm going to apply it to my nose area and then drag it to my cheeks. It's going to give me a look like I just came out of the cold. For lipstick, I'm using the Lime Crime lipstick in the shade Salem. This is this dark chocolatey brown lipstick. I absolutely love this color, especially for the winter season. And this is it for the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please check the description box for all the details. You can also follow me on Instagram, and I love you guys so much. Bye! God, I feel the bite is in. Ouch.